Cisco One provides a comprehensive solution that goes beyond cost savings. In this module, we'll explore how you can effectively communicate these value propositions to your customers. We'll also cover strategies to confidently close the deal. Hey, Tom! Great to have you on our marketing team. Your main priority will be lead generation. Isabella will show you what she's been doing to research buyers, as well as procuring second-generation leads from our existing clients. John needs to send several large files containing sensitive data to a business partner. According to industry standards, which of the following protocols would be the best choice for this task? Is it A, FTP, B, SNMP v3, C, SFTP, or D, SRTP? Hold on there, champ. We're not done yet. Click next to continue. That pesky engine light's back again. Hey, before you visit the shop, embrace the drama. Grab your smartphone and Google away for some possible culprits. Solving mysteries can be fun, right? Every light's got a silver lining, somewhere. The success of any company depends on its ability to attract and retain employees. Look for candidates whose values resonate with your company culture. This will foster lasting connections. Here's how to add your bank account into Xero. From the accounting menu, select Bank Accounts. Then click Add Bank Account. Select your bank from the list. Enter a unique account name and your account number, then click Continue. Remember, most gas is produced as a natural result of bacterial fermentation in the intestine and indicates healthy functioning of the gut. Always try to exercise social courtesy when passing gas. And do try to forgive your bacteria. They're only trying to be helpful. Phew, that was a lot. I knew you could do it. Click the close button to exit.